Hello, it's Carolisa at My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, and today on the Solaris we are going to talk about a quick little view before you embroider on your image. So come on in and I'll show you a basic watch what's happening before you embroider. Come in from the home screen to embroidery, and you can do this with either what's built into the computer of the machine, or you can use it on a USB that you're importing the design to. Today I'm going to come into our exclusives. Oh, and just a side note, I am using my finger. We have the pen, and it is perfectly okay to use your finger. You can use this or your finger, just don't choose any other stylus. But go ahead and feel free to use your finger. It's not going to hurt anything. I'm going to come in here to Kids Corner because I found a really cute little turtle that I want to work with today. Scroll down here. Here's my turtle. I'm going to go ahead and press set so I can put my image into my editing screen. And from here, I want to see what it's going to look like with my hoop and how everything works on this, and do a little preview of my image. So up here in the corner, what we have here is actually a little hoop, picture of a hoop with the little stitching on it. I'm going to select that. And now on this screen, you can choose the different sizes of hoop to see what it will look like in that hoop size. And you just do that by changing your different hoop sizes. Also, you can see what happens when you embroider this out, and you can kind of see what colors go first and things like that. You do that by pressing this little needle and the play triangle, and here you can choose how fast you want that to stitch out. For time's sake, we're going to hit the very fastest one. Over here we have the go back to the beginning, and we have a play button. Go ahead and hit play, and you can watch how that's going to stitch out on your fabric when you're ready to go. Kind of fun, right? Anyway, just a little something, and we'll do another one later.